Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentics from the 2022 Wave 5. We have Chase Elliott's number 9 NAPA Next Gen car. On the back, you can get other NASCAR Authentics from the 2022 Wave 5. Let's get Chase Elliott out of his box. So first we have the sticker, which is obviously the classic NAPA logo. The yellow line to represent the side of his car, and obviously his number 9. And don't forget his name on the sticker too. So here we have Chase Elliott's car. So Chase Elliott's car was similar design to his 2021 car, except there's now a few little changes. Obviously, one is that the number is on the side, and the NAPA logo is now in the middle of the car with auto parts on taking over usually this side, which usually the NAPA logo is usually here, but now it's over there. So the top, the number, you have a white number 9, while on the sides you have a blue number 9. Obviously yellow arrow going through there. So right here is that the side is mostly white, whereas the hood and a little bit of the area over here is blue still. The classic NAPA logo. And on the back you got NAPA Auto Care, Valvoline, his number 9. Camaro, the double diffuser, obviously on the back. And one thing about the next gen's diecast is that the backs are really smooth. So I'll give you a 360 look of Chase Elliott. And that'll do it for this video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and many more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.